Staying hydrated is one of the most important things we can do for our health. Our bodies are made up of around 60% of water, and it plays a vital role in nearly every function of the body. Without enough water, we can experience a range of negative symptoms and health problems, making it essential to prioritise hydration in our daily lives. One of the primary functions of water is to regulate body temperature. When we're dehydrated, our bodies are less able to regulate our internal temperature, which can lead to overheating, tiredness, and other symptoms. Staying hydrated is especially important during periods of physical activity or in hot weather, as our bodies lose more water through sweat and other means. Water is also essential for digestion and nutrient absorption. Without enough water, our bodies may struggle to digest food properly, leading to symptoms like bloating, constipation, and abdominal pain. Additionally, water helps to transport nutrients and oxygen to the cells throughout the body, keeping us energized and healthy. In addition to physical benefits, staying hydrated can also improve our mental and emotional well-being. Dehydration can lead to symptoms like brain fog, headaches, and mood swings, making it harder to concentrate and stay focused. Drinking plenty of water can help improve cognitive function and boost our mood, making it easier to feel alert and positive throughout the day. So how much water do we need to stay hydrated? The amount can vary depending on several factors, including age, sex, activity level, and climate. Generally, it's recommended that an adult drinks at least 8 glasses of water a day, and more if they're physically active or live in a hot climate. While water is the best choice for staying hydrated, other fluids like tea, coffee, and juice can contribute to our daily fluid intake. However, it's important to limit our intake of sugary or caffeinated drinks, which can lead to dehydration if consumed in excess.